Good morning, this Friday the 19th of August. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, our local market yesterday closed 0.2% lower. The tech sector declined the most among the 11 share market sectors, while utilities also weighed down on the market. And on the other hand, energy and healthcare stocks advanced. And it was one of the busiest days of earnings results so far, with a long list of companies reporting. On the ASX 200, we saw intellectual property group IPH shares soar 16%, following news that the company has agreed to acquire Smart Biggar, which is a leading Canadian intellectual property firm. And among corporate earnings published yesterday, we saw a mixed session for blue chips. Blackmores, BKL, saw the largest tumble among blue chips. Its shares fell 10% and it was the worst performing stock yesterday. While Blackmores reported a rise in profit and revenue, they also warned about rising costs and supply chain issues. And the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients were CSL, Lake Resources, LKE, ResMed, RMD and BHP. US equities gained overnight, with all three major benchmarks closing slightly higher. The Dow up 0.6% and the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq both gained 0.2%. And European stocks also closed higher after what was a choppy session amid continuing market caution over an inflationary outlook. The Stock 600 was up 0.3% by the close. As for what to watch today, locally, the Australian share market is set to open slightly higher. The SPI futures are suggesting a 0.3% rise at the open this morning. In commodities, the price of oil is on the rise, now moving further away from the 6-month lows reached earlier in the week, as falling US crude inventories more than offset concerns around a global economic slowdown. Gold prices have steadied, however, have fallen for 3 straight sessions, with the latest US Fed policy meeting minutes being released, and they emphasized the need to keep up rising rates. And iron ore is trading lower, with an extended downturn in the demand for industrial inputs in China. And we're ending the week with another long list of companies reporting their earnings results today. So some names set to publish results today include AGL Energy, Cochlear, COH, Cleanaway Waste Management, that's CWY, Helios, HLS, Ingham's ING, and Newcrest Mining, NCM. And moving on to some trading ideas, Bell Potter maintained a speculative buy rating on Telix Pharmaceuticals, TLX, after the company reported its results. Now, revenue from sales of commercial products were in line with expectation. However, operating costs expanded more rapidly than expected, resulting in a loss at the EBIT line. Bell Potter have lowered their valuation from $9 to $8.65, and at its current share price of $6.63, this implies 30.5% share price growth in a year. And Trading Central have identified a bearish signal in Adairs, ADH, indicating that the stock price may fall from the close of $2.55 to the range of $1.65 to $1.85 over 40 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for today. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great Friday and happy trading.